National Manufacturing Industry Organization, SME, named a UTRGV professor as one of its 2020 College of Fellows. Dr. Anil Srivastava was recognized for contributing to the profession for more than 20 years. Before joining the UTRGV Manufacturing and Industrial Engineering Department, he collaborated with Boeing, Lockheed Martin, and General Motors. He joined the university in 2013.
The reason was simple, like I wanted to know I have so much to give to the next generation. What I'm doing here in the industry now, let's go back to academics and then transfer that knowledge to the students here.
7 people across the nation were selected as SME Fellows this year.
It's a good privilege. It's a good honor, no doubt about it.
Learn about the work at the UTRGV Mechanical and Industrial Engineering Department. Visit utrgv.edu/MAIE.